I remember I can call Spotty to get him to let me out. He has the key. Beep beep boop boop beep boop boop. Hello? Will you come and get me out of jail? Yeah, 1 second. We're free. Oh, here's a good store. Rob. Wait, right there. Please never get in jail. Going to jail. Almost there. Lock. See, the keys are in my pocket. You can never get. Lock. See, now the keys are in my pocket, so you can never get to them. So don't you rob a convenience store again. And goodbye. Now, if these people escape again, just look for 2 robbers. But I don't think they're gonna escape there, and they're pretty good. And that was a Zuzu Pet production by Emma. I guess robbing stuff is not our type. Yeah, buddy.